There may not be another 6-burner, all stainless steel gas grill on the market today, at this time of making this video, that offers everything that this one does at a lower price. This is the upgraded flagship of the Monument Grills collection, the Denali 605 Pro Smart Gas Grill. Monument Grills did send this grill to me with the intention of making a review video, but no money changed hands and they don't get to see this video before it's published. They also sent over the Denali 405 4-burner grill about 5 months ago. And that's the previous generation before the upgrades. So I know firsthand all about the upgrades that they've made, and I can tell you, they are significant. But there is one detail that I think they may have forgotten, and we'll talk about that in just a minute. The first thing I noticed compared to the 405 that I built 5 months ago, the entire firebox is all stainless steel. Now, why is that important? All grills that have a 100% stainless steel firebox don't corrode. So that enamel coating on the firebox on grills that are usually below $1,000, that does wear off and can corrode. So over time, an all stainless steel firebox grill will last longer. Try to have a drink every time I say the word firebox. So you're gonna see a drastic difference in the longevity and durability of your grill when it has an all stainless steel firebox. Drink. All stainless steel is much easier to clean up. The entire firebox, drink again, isn't the only stainless steel stuff either. The flame tamers over the infrared burners are actually all stainless steel as well, instead of enamel coated metal. So that's not gonna corrode, so you won't have to replace those down the line either. And those are a really nice thick stainless steel, and they've got a pretty cool like fire emblem on them as well. A very nice touch. Another really nice aspect of this Pro Series is that it comes with everything, just about everything. For the extra $100 to get the Pro version as opposed to the non-Pro version, which is $7.99 on their website right now, you're not only getting that all stainless steel firebox, drink, you're also getting a rotisserie attachment with double meat forks. More on that momentarily. The rain cover, which should be on it right now, and that is definitely a necessity, I do believe. You're also getting the versatile and thicker porcelain enameled cast iron grate system that has a pop-out section so you can toss in the griddle plate or even a pizza stone. My voice is cracking. My voice sounds like shit because I've got a sinus infection, but I gotta get this video done, right? And also, it's just crazy wind outside. So I'm recording this from inside my screened-in porch so that the audio with my shitty voice is still good. That's what's going on in my neck of the woods. Okay, now let's go over all of the upgrades. I already went over the stainless steel firebox. Drink. The 5 infrared burners are beautiful, and those combined with the stainless steel flame tamers really do a nice job of controlling flare-ups. I cooked 150 chicken wings on this grill, and the flare-ups were easily tamed and nothing crazy compared to other grills that I have used in the past. The deeper firebox that they have in Monument Grills also plays a nice role in this as well. And the 6th burner is actually a ceramic infrared burner, which gets about 200 degrees hotter than the other 5. So around 900 degrees on that ceramic one. They upgraded the materials in the clear view window so you can see your food while it's cooking, pretty cool, to make it a little easier to clean. It is easy to clean, but it definitely does get dirty. So if you like that aspect of it, you will be cleaning it more often. It really just takes the wipe of a microfiber cloth and it's clean again. And I will say that it is fun to see your food cooking while you're grilling. Like it's an interesting aspect. It makes seeing flare-ups much easier, so you know when your food is potentially burning without having to lift the grill over and over again. So it's a really nice feature and one that is unique to Monument Grills, I think. If I'm wrong about that, let me know. They upgraded the battery pack that runs the digital display and the whole smart system with D batteries instead of AA batteries. So the 4-burner that I had AA batteries, and they didn't really last all that long. The D batteries last way longer, although the downside to D batteries is that they are very expensive. This easy swap out propane tray is fantastic. I always thought this was one of those features that was like, nah, I can take it or leave it, but now that I've got it in this grill, I never realized how much I actually really did need that. Like it's a really nice feature for your back. And it slides in and out like butter too. Now I mentioned the rotisserie kit a little bit ago that comes with the 2 meat forks. It's fantastic. I had that with the 4-burner Denali, and which was, smaller, and only had 1 meat fork on it. And the max weight capacity for that rotisserie system was 11 pounds, so roughly 2 whole raw chickens. And when I got this, I was like, oh, it's got 2 meat forks on it. I bet we can do, higher weight. And I really think this is one of the areas that they kind of missed the boat on. They should have upgraded the weight capacity for this rotisserie, maybe to like 18 or 20 pounds, so we can do like whole roasts. But I guess the good thing about that is that they can just create an upgraded motor and then offer that as an upgrade down the line. Monument, I hope that's something that you offer in the future. And so that's really the only upgrade that I think they missed. It's not super disappointing. I mean, 11 pounds is still a lot of meat to put on a spinner, but could be more, that's all I'm saying. The porcelain-enabled cast iron cooking grates are thicker now, and I just reviewed their updated Mesa 4-burner grill, and I mentioned in that video how the enamel cast iron grates were kind of thin. This, very nice upgrade, much thicker. So that's gonna retain your heat and create better sears on your food. So you're really gonna like that thicker cast iron grate. And I absolutely love what they've done with the center round cutout portion of the cast iron grates. So you can take that piece out, swap in a round griddle accessory that they offer, and or a pizza stone. Really great feature. The footage that you're seeing here is my own pizza stone. I didn't have theirs just yet. Oh, I have it now, I'll show it to you. This is their pizza stone. They just sent it to me. It just arrived yesterday, so I haven't got a chance to use it yet, but just know that you can pop out that center grate, pop this bad boy in, and rip some pizzas. Now, I will say that the temperature that this grill cooks at, right around, if you have all the burners on, you'd be cooking at around 650 to 700 degrees, and that makes a perfect environment for cooking pizzas. Usually you want to cook above 650, and this grill is going to do that. So cooking pizzas is wonderful inside here, and especially even easier now that you can just swap the pizza stone in and out. And it makes cooking vegetables a lot easier as well. So if you're cooking Brussels sprouts or asparagus, you don't have to worry about them falling through the slits in the grates. So you could pop in the griddle attachment and you're off and running cooking your vegetables or whatever else you want to cook on that. Nice, fun attachment and a great addition to this grill. And that ceramic infrared searing burner is right below where the pizza stone would go. So if you like a toastier crust on your pizza, or if you want that cast iron griddle to be hotter to get an even better sear on your steak faster, you can crank that to high and you're gonna be cooking at a much higher temperature right below the pizza stone or that griddle surface. So a nice little attachment there. Now, speaking of searing, the side shelf actually has an infrared searing burner. And now this infrared searing burner has 12,000 BTUs. And what you're gonna get with that, if you leave that running for a little bit, is you're gonna have temperatures of 1200 to 1500 degrees coming right above that and heating up that stainless steel grate that's on top of it. And you're going to get very nice, intense sears on your meat that way. So a nice little attachment. The previous Denali that I had a side burner. And to be honest, for me, I don't really use side burners all that much, but a side searing station, nice addition, for me anyway. Let me know what you think. Do you like a side burner or would you rather have a searing station? What's more important to you? The digital temperature display is pretty much the same exact one on the previous gen that I had, the 4-burner. And once you have a digital temperature display on your gas grill, you're never gonna wanna go back because it's just, your temperature's right there. You never really have to guess with the old analog ones that you did. And some of those analog ones were never usually accurate and broke pretty easily. So this digital one is really nice. It connects to the app so you can be inside and watching your temperatures of your meat from the meat probes. That it does come with 2 meat probes as well, so that's cool. I have not had a chance to use them yet, so I can't speak to how good they are, but they seem very nice. They're all stainless steel as well. But as I was saying, that digital temperature display is a very nice thing to have and a welcome addition to a grill that is at the price point that this is. One of the things that I really didn't like about the other grills that I had, the 4-burner and the Mesa, is that the top half of the back of the grill is wide open. There's no cover there. So your storage system is pretty much open to the elements if you don't have the cover on. But they changed that with this Pro version. Now we've got a solid back, and to access the cleaning system, which I actually really love in the Mesa grills, you slide it up and then it folds back, and then you can access your cleaning tray, your grease tray from the back. And then you can just pull that out, clean out your grease tray, pop it back in, and then put that back plate back on, and you're off and running again. Cleaning a grill has never been easier, and it's honestly one of those things that I hate doing. I hate cleaning grills. I've mentioned it in so many other videos. So usually I just let those grease fires happen. Click the like button if you're like me and you just let those grease fires just burn away all the shit. But with these Monument grills, cleaning is now a breeze and something that I do now. Not that I enjoy it, but I do it. The overall cooking experience with this grill has been a blast. I really didn't think I would get back into enjoying a gas grill because gas grills kind of miss out on the flavor that maybe a smoker or a charcoal grill has to offer. But there is something to be said about just turning the knobs on and pushing the button and you're cooking in a 700-degree surface 10 minutes later. That's all it takes to preheat this grill. You're off and running, you're searing your steaks, cooking your chicken wings, whatever you want to cook, you're cooking in 10 minutes, and that's fantastic. And at the stage of life that I'm in right now, with little ones and needing to get dinner ready pretty quickly, usually most of the time, having a grill that I can heat up so fast and so easily is kind of great. Being able to change out that grate so that I can cook a pizza on there without having to add a separate pizza stone, or I can make smash burgers with the griddle, or sear my steaks, or cook my vegetables with the griddle portion. Like, that's just a great feature and makes this grill way more versatile than the previous one that I had. And all of the upgrades that I've spoke about and the aggressive price of $899 for this grill really puts this grill in direct competition with other stainless steel gas grills that are in the $1,500 to $2,000 price range. So if you're shopping for a gas grill and your budget is around, $800 to $1,500 and you're looking at those different grills, I would say that you should absolutely check out this grill. I think you'll be impressed of what you get for the price range of $899 at the time of making this video, of course. So I am definitely impressed with the changes that they've made to this grill, especially comparing it to the 4-burner version that I had, which is a great grill. The 4-burner Denali Smart Grill is a great grill, but once I got my hands on this big boy, it's a whole nother level of a grill. All of the metal around the grill is much thicker. All of the firebox, being all stainless steel, is a total upgrade, and just the flame tamers themselves are a big upgrade. Once you feel how thick and strong they actually are, I think you're gonna be impressed and you're gonna really like the design of them. So I would really love to know what you think about this grill, what you think about the features that it offers, the stuff that it comes with. So if you have any questions or comments or opinions, please do share them in the comments section so that we can chat about it. As always, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.